Good day, everybody. Okay, we got a new project, and this is a PWM pulse with modulation wave. Okay, and this is a square waves. Okay, as you can see, while I talk, there is obviously space in between the waves, which is supposed to distance the calculation, the amplitude. So let's see, we can change it. So yeah, you can get it smaller square waves. Obviously, it requires a bigger sound here. Small. There we are. Perhaps this one will work better. See, it might be a bit too blocked. There we are. This is hello. Yeah, it also, it's not only the amplitude, but it's also the distance of the semi-cycle. You know, that the distance between the two semi-cycle, which vibrate as the dynamic sound is available. Okay. So this is the way it works. Okay, so what we did here, it's the same principle. I made a rail in here for 3.3 volt for the sound sensor. Okay, which picks it up here, the ground and the 3.3 volt. The sound sensor has a VC. You can see he has a VCC and ground, and then out. Pin out, it's the last one, that one there. So the pin out goes to GPIO 4 or pin 4 on the ESP32 C3. And then we have the connection for the data cable for the OLED screen, which is the yellow one. It's ACL, which goes to number 6 on the board, chip board. And this is ACL, and ACL goes to number 7. Sorry, SDA. ACL is a yellow one, SDA is a green one. So ACL is number 6, and SDA it's number 7. Okay. That's it. There's not much to talk about, but let me see. Now, let's see if it works maybe a little bit better. Okay, this is a bit... well, let's have a look at the code. Okay, so we have the code here. Okay, and you can see that sorry, okay, so we have you need a LED, not LED, the LEDC library. Okay, so it'll show you how you get it. So to generate the PWM signal, this is your main. Okay, so here you set up the frequency, update the PWM frequency dynamically. Okay, and then you have here the duty cycle. Set the pulse with the bass and the sound level. Okay, so we got that, the duty cycle, which does that. Okay, so this is your main codes, and then the rest is, this is display, where it shows. And here it's the library. You need a driver /ledc.h. Okay, and you go here, usually, let me see. probably doesn't work. Yeah, this is where you get your library, and you type your library here. Okay, so see, some of the library you can't get them. You have to go to GitHub. Not sure why, but they are not part of the Arduino IDE. See, this one you take it. What I'll do, I'll put the. Sorry, it's a drive. Yeah. I will put the. What do you call it? The GitHub. Where you get it, but in this case, it's already incorporated in the Arduino when you install it, so it shouldn't be a problem. But just in case you don't have it, you go to GitHub, okay? Because you won't get it from here, just to let you know. All right, so I think we covered almost everything. This is still a bit. It's weather raining, so it's a bit of there's not much light. But if I put too much light, I get a flickering horizontal column that move up and down. So that's not okay. So hello. Did this work? Eh? Yeah. Hello. Yeah. All right, guys. I think we cover everything. Well, thank you very much. Have a good day. And please thumbs up if you like it.